this one. Again, if you've watched my videos in the past, this is what I did for Doge, and maybe I'll do a Doge video in the future, which I think I promised that last video. All right, so I need to do a Doge video. Okay, I did the same thing for Doge, how I estimated going from 5 cents all the way up to 78 cents, which is exactly what we ended up doing. Or I said somewhere between 74 and 82 cents. We ended up going to 78 cents, pretty much right in between. I estimated, I took the last bull market run that we had on the if we're talking about Doge, but we're talking about the crypto market in total, minus excluding Bitcoin. As you can see up there, we moved up from this level here. We marked that off as 1. We marked the absolute bottom off as 0, and then we marked off how high did we go on the first move. Every token either did a double pump and went higher, or some went, made a lower high. So we're just taking this March, or was that May 2021 as the all-time high. Most tokens topped out there, the total market, and so we said somewhere around, it's going to be somewhere around 3.0. Let's fix that. Let's just say 3.0. Let's try to get precise. It doesn't matter. It's going to be somewhere between 3 and 3.618. All right, we're going to just say 3.236. Then I superimpose that over to the current levels. The low for was at 2023, compared to the high of, was at the high of 2021 as the top. And then I was able to mark out that the total market cap would end up being 4 times, pretty much 4 times where we're at now. The total market cap is near $1 trillion, and if you look at somewhere between 3.382, we're looking at somewhere between $4 and $4.5 trillion market cap, just for altcoins. So we have a lot of pumpage to do, and to keep it shorter, we broke past on the 1 day, we broke past the 200-day. Now we're going to expect that to be one level of support. Okay, ideally we're going to go into this zone here. We're trying to break this trend line here. Yeah, you can mark it how you want. You can say we've already broken the trend line pretty much. We want to test a little bit higher and then pull back. Worst case scenario, we want to see an overall crypto market pullback. Even if we, it doesn't matter where we go, we want to be able to stop somewhere right there. Let's say we topped out here, and this is how I mark out where we're going next. Let's say we top out there at 1.1 trillion before we make our little dip. My estimation next week, then we're talking about, let's see, we're talking about coming down to, nope, we just want to flip it doesn't matter, you don't have to flip it, you don't have to flip the you don't have to flip the Fibonacci, but you will want to add the 236 to mimic it being the same as the 786 marker. So if you don't flip it, a lot of people don't flip it, then ideally we don't want to go any lower than $831 billion total market cap before we then, whether it's mid-October, late October, we start making our march into new all-time highs over the next, we should hit new all-time highs sometime for the whole market, sometime between March and May again. So keep that area of interest in mind. Everything in between then is going to be choppy. Just keep buying the dips. All right, that's it for TOTAL2 market cap. We have a new item in our shop that you would love, that you'll possibly use every day. Open up your mornings with crypto and coffee and Black Lion Kings. We now have a new coffee mug, only $8 shipping. Go and support Black Lion Kings, your favorite Discord group, your favorite crypto Discord group. And we also have other items to show your support as well. Go and get it. The link is in the description below.